what you asked? Yes, we are going to do today. That's not my wife, my God, she's a nice teacher. The teacher there is a baby there. They are spread rumors, my God. Okay, please take out your worksheet. Go ahead, worksheet, stand outside. Yeah, I said I'm going to go through 3.1 today. What is the yeah. You'll come back in 2 years' time. If I were him, I may stay there forever. Why you feel betrayed?
I feel betrayed. He never stay or sleep the project. Isaac is very jealous because he doesn't
Did you come as a surprise or you all suddenly found out?
He knew yesterday. I even more shocked. Newer than you. I knew earlier before.
Go behind and start around, don't look very shocked. You all saw it coming up.
Lester is disappointed.
Lester, you don't be disappointed.
Because he played.
So, are you all preparing to say goodbye to him?
Yeah.
Okay, does he know you are preparing? Okay, that's nice of you all.
I'll give you the best rating.
Oh.
And then the online test, if you win the same thing, you will get test rating.
Let's take out your worksheets. Okay, just from where I can see, it looks like everyone's ready. Isaac, you must go and rewatch the lessons you missed here. Oh wow, okay, very good. No wonder I saw one video. Okay, all of you all please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't want you to reach a stage, right, where the last part of the video I need to say, please subscribe for more. Okay? Once I got 1,000 people subscribe to me, right, then I can do live broadcast.
No, I will do a giveaway. $20 for free.
I wanted to do live recording of lessons. But then they put there, I need to have 1,000 subscribers first.
Let's go subscribe.
Then if more people subscribe, right, then I can start earning money off YouTube. Then once income starts coming, right, I don't even need to come to school already. I'll just do it from home, Okay, so please help build up my YouTube account.
50 account, one for
Okay, I know you're very young, but you're all got Instagram now.
I give
Okay, like and subscribe, follow me at on my YouTube. Okay. It's private.
Is it?
No, it's not. It's private. Oh, okay. No, this one is private because sometimes we take photo together as students, I post there, but I don't want random like old uncles, right? Just like taking your photos, right? So that's why I make it. That's why I make it private. private, so only if I know that you are my student, then I accept.
I'll DM you everyone.
Yeah, so if you want to follow, make sure you DM me, then I'll accept. Okay? Okay, so just want to make you aware. Have you all visited this before? Okay. My science rep Zen. Have you shared this before? Okay. Okay, so just to make it convenient for you, you come here then you can find a playlist of 06. Playlist, yeah, like if you go here, playlist.
What's your channel? Just say your channel.
Yeah, it's bio time also. Yeah.
How many followers you
So
have?
if you scroll through this, you can find our very first lesson together also. Yeah, so characteristics of living things. Yeah? So everything is here.
So you know the one I stand outside.
Hey, sorry, if you stand outside, you won't be in the video. Right? Okay, so I think it's like below 20. Hey, why you laugh? Okay. Okay, so I encourage you, before you go for any quiz or exam, if you forget anything, subscribe and follow. And then after that, go and watch some of the videos to recap. Okay? A lot of your seniors watch recaps of videos. In fact, I have some seniors, right? And their videos since their JH1 until now. So if you want to revise anything, just go and revise. Okay? The resources are there. You miss lessons, you go and make sure you go and ask them for the link. Or you put in a group chat. Okay, so you all know how to put in description. Yeah. Okay, in WhatsApp chat there's a group description. Yeah. So what you all can do is you put useful links there, then everyone can access very easily.
Why don't you just make more email account? You can make this yourself.
It was much time. I don't have so much time.
Okay,
Next time.
subscribe.
Next time when you take bio in JH3 and 4, then you can go and visit all the chapters in biology, and then I put up myself teaching videos, teaching you the subject. Okay? So for example, carbohydrates, proteins, yeah, you will find me inside, and then I will teach you. Okay? So this is my YouTube channel. Yeah?
So what is your next so tiny?
This was drawn by one of my lovely JH1s long time ago. Yeah? So if you all want to, you can help me draw a new icon. Then I can update myself. Yeah? Okay, so let's go into today. Okay, so you can take out a green pen. We're just going to do a quick mark. Okay, there are some things that I will not mark on. Is because you just need to eyeball and see. Alright? But there are certain things I will collect to mark, especially when you have to write long sentences. I want to check whether you make sense. Not so much the grammatical nature of it. That one I'll leave your LA teacher to iron you out. Okay? But for myself, I want to see if you make scientific sense. But for this kind of calculation numbers, it is what it is. I show you the answer and then you just quickly check through. Your primary school teacher collect everything, right? Is it? Yeah. Okay. Once you all must let your parents know. Because I got some JH1 teachers, I got some JH1 parents, right? After a few months, right? They'll call me and ask, Mr. Tan, how come you don't collect all of my child's homework? Now, I won't collect all. Some you all can really mark and go through yourself. Okay? I'll only collect those that I really want through your writing. So let's look at the first question. Which of the following is not one of the 7 base units? Which page of your textbook can you find this answer? For those of you that blah blah one. Okay, is it verified? Correct. Thanks, Karthik. Page 5-6. This way you can find all the units. Page 5-6. Next week you are doing what? Yeah. Next week we will do one more practice. Remember the previous round we practiced how to use caliper and screw gauge, right? This coming week we are going to practice how to use measuring cylinder and a timer one more time. I will, so that you can revise during your holidays. Yes. For what? Measuring. There will be a few per table. Yeah. More than enough for you all to help each other out and share around. Okay? Okay, so which one is not an SI unit, a base SI unit? It is D, it is speed. Speed is what we call a derived unit. So if you look at the page of your textbook, it says a derived unit. Derived units often involve more than one base unit. They have been multiplied or divided by each other. And you can see that on page 56. Next, let's go to this part. You are asked to write the measurements in the after you converted them to their prefixes. We did this before in class long time ago, yeah? The only one is this one that is slightly different. But I recall Dee taught us how to use our calculators to find the other way of representing it, yeah? Yes? Hey, what? It's 8:30. Give me a break.
It's 9:50.
Okay? Yeah. Oh, must write your units up. Just make sure you check that you have units. Okay? So you have a check if you're missing your units. Usually for sciences, no units we will not give you the mark even if you got the correct number. No, not even a half. Yeah. Well, that's fine. That's okay. It's okay. Okay. I think I showed the answer previous round also. Okay. Yeah, minus 2 shows. So how many in the class now? Okay, next up, you're asked to convert the following units to the following units stated. Okay. Give a quick check. Please let me know if you'd like me to run through one example again of how to convert. C, yeah? Okay, let's try C together. Oh, okay. So you want me to go through? Okay. This one is it? This is micro. How long? 1 hour. Yeah. Nano. This is nano. Then this is micro. This one is it? Okay. Then this is milli. Milli is. Okay, this one you just do it like that, one line down. Then you do a U. Yeah. This is an N. Okay, so yeah, micro. Okay, so you see even Gary got confused. Okay, so a good way is when you draw micro, you make the first line a bit extra long. Then people know that it's micro. Okay, then the last version. When you do mega, make sure that your M is sharp. Okay, this is mega. last time we didn't ask students to remember up to mega, giga, tera. But it's because as the years go by, when you use your phone, thumb drive goes up to mega, all that, right? So we thought it became relevant.
Even higher than Tera.
I know.
Mega chat,
Tera chat.
kilo chat,
Tera chat.
mini chat,
Nano chat.
nano chat,
Micro chat. Pico
Wait.
chat.
How many is 1L?
Yeah.
How many is 2L? Okay. Then now next part. Okay, next part was conversion between degrees Celsius and Kelvin scale.
We only do a mock.
Okay, normally before your actual quizzes, we will give you some practice papers to try from previous years.
can you put on Zoom?
We see the 0 degrees Celsius and can I put the the sign of the
Oh, like this, is it?
Yeah.
No, please write N. Yeah. Because I just worry lah. Sometimes some students when they do this, right, it looks like an 8. And teacher may confuse as an answer. Yes. Oh, okay. If you have put a comma, that will be fine.
We need to put room temperature.
Don't need, room temperature at different places will be different. Okay, good. That is very nice. When we go through worksheets, just ask me along. Okay? Okay, good question. What is ethanol? From now onwards, every time you see anything with an OL behind, it is an okay, because it is an alcohol. Okay?
Can you drink ethanol?
No. Okay. Alcohols have a very dehydrating. Ethanol has a very alcohol has a very dehydrating effect. For example, if you have you ever felt alcohol touch your skin before? Very cooling, right? Because it dries out very fast, right? Yeah. Hey, you know you're being recorded. Don't go to jail, is it? Okay, alcohol has a very dehydrating effect. If you drink something so pure, if you drink something like ethanol, it can really like dry out and can like burn your skin. So don't drink laboratory kind of alcohols. So you shouldn't be drinking alcohols at your age as well. Yes. It's purely because we don't want you all to get addicted at a young age. I mean, once you're an adult, you want to get addicted, right? Nobody can control you already. But if you start very young and you don't know how to manage, just like your phone usage, then you could end up becoming addicted when you're older. There are also bad effects of alcohol, you know. Too much alcohol, your liver can get damaged. Okay? So if you start earlier, you're damaging your liver much earlier. Can I get everyone to check right now? Then you have your units. You miss out the units, give yourself a cross. Okay, if you miss out the units, give yourself a cross and then just use the green pen to top it up. It's okay. Exam time just be long. It's correct. Okay. Right. Give yourself a tick. Your green pen. Give yourself a tick. Boost your confidence. Know that you're doing the right thing. If you get correct, can you give yourself a tick, boost your own confidence. You must know that you're doing things right. Okay? If you don't give yourself a tick, a few months down the road, you forgot whether you're right or wrong. Okay? So just give yourself a tick. You got it right. Yeah, when I do pound check, Hey, Next question. Nothing to pressure on you.
Mr. Tan, how old are you?
Okay.
Hey, that's why you give personally, bro.
Yeah, man. You didn't raise your hand. Okay, next question 5. Question 5, I think I'll ask you to write an explanation. Oh.
You have been recorded.
Okay. So the question asks, identify 2 mistakes or things you find insufficient about how this student collected and recorded the data. Please highlight collected, recorded. So there's an issue with the way he collected the data and recorded the data. Do you spot any?
Yeah.
You need to watch the answer. It's only
Very relevant, yes, Xavier.
He recorded the length of almond when he was measuring almonds, not almond.
Okay, Xavier, I think you read too much into the lines. Yeah. I think that's not what you intended. Okay, I think we lack the same level of knowledge you have as almonds and other people. Okay, yes.
The student did not repeat the student did not repeat the experiment 2 more times and find the average of the results.
Okay, did not repeat 2 more times to find average. How many of you wrote that? Okay, because it's true, yeah. There only 1 reading was taken. It's not very good. Yeah.
he didn't write the last two.
Oh, okay. Anyone of you notice this? 25.4. But actually there's a 0 here. Okay. So precision. The precision of his data was not right. Yeah? You notice it was a 25.4, but actually the data shows 25.40. Must be precise, even though there's a 0 there. Oh, actually, did they say that he checked for 0 error or not? Never say. Okay, I can accept that as an answer. Okay, did not check for 0 error. Anything else? Yes? Okay, never find average. Okay, so somewhat similar. Did not find the average. Anything else? Okay, I want you to look at the table. You see the way he writes the units? Yeah, okay, so when you draw your tables, from now onwards, where you are going to write the numbers, you don't need to write units anymore. However, where do you write your units? You must write it where you are describing what you are measuring. So for example, length of almond, this is what it says it should have been. It should have been length of almond, meaning slash and n. Very good. And now that 25.40. Okay? Anything else? Okay, it's not wrong per se. Yeah? Just that when it comes to your practical, next time, you may be asked to record many data. So, save your time. Just write it in the heading. Then for everything else, you can just write the number. Save your time. Okay? Okay, this is the model answer, but a lot of you, but the same idea what you have on the whiteboard. First point talks about precision. Second point, they did not take 3 readings, did not take average. Last one, that the units should be written in the table heading, not as the part where you record data. Okay, I will pause here for a while. You see which points you have, which points you don't have, you just top up. You don't need to copy blindly every single thing, yeah? strong word. Why you go back to work? Hey, my orange from Chinese New Year still here. Okay, next part. Next part up. A curious student wanted to find out how the mass, thickness, surface temperature of a leaf changes when it's placed under a powerful spotlight. They ask you to state the physical quantities that the student has measured, the SI unit, and then suggest the most appropriate characters. You okay? Wait, what's wrong? You okay now? Okay, so I want you to check first two columns. I have a feeling that the SI unit, you did not write the SI unit, and you wrote the unit that the characters may show. Okay, so I show you that. These are some of the physical quantities that are shown in this paragraph. How many of you wrote cm, gram, degrees Celsius? Okay, okay, good question. Because this particular question is not asking you for what is the unit that the instrument you are going to use is showing. They are just asking you for what is the SI unit for the physical quantity. If I have one more column, okay, if I have one more column that put unit of measuring instrument, then it would be slightly different. Because the thermometers we use in class is degrees Celsius. Your screw gauge, vernier caliper is all in mm. The mass balance we use is all in grams. So why we have this question? We just wanted to see if your eyes are paying attention to what the header is. You want the SI units.
So what is SI unit?
SI stands for Standard International Units.
Why would it be gram?
Okay, because, that's a good question. Why is it the Standard International Unit for mass? Grams. Since whatever we measure in the lab has to be grams, right? Then why all across the world they use kg as a Standard International Unit? Because actually whatever you're doing in the lab is very small scale. Researchers, scientists, they're working on very big scales. Notice, right? These meters, right? Okay? Meters. Yeah, we are not working in cm here. Yeah. So when we look at Standard International Unit, sometimes the unit may be bigger than what you expect, because when we're looking at scientists, researchers across the world, they may be working with much larger quantities of lengths, chemical quantities. Okay, but in the lab, if I have one more column that says unit of measuring instrument, then you write down the unit of the instrument you're using. Okay, so just reason why we have this question is want you to see wanted to test how sharp your eyes were. SI unit different from the unit of your measuring instrument. So they ask you to justify what kind of instrument you may want to use. There are many different tools you can use to measure length. Which would have been better? Okay, if you have written ruler to measure the length of the thickness of the leaf, I would have said that that is inappropriate. Yeah? Temperature. If you use a thermometer, the glass thermometer, how you measure the temperature of the leaf? The leaf like that, you just poke through. That's not how it works. Okay? So there's an appropriate tool for measuring in different contexts. In this context, in your textbook, actually there's one tool called infrared thermometer. It's the one you know you shoot your head, right? Yeah, you shoot the leaf. Okay, same thing. Measuring balance will be better. If you have written weighing scale, the one you use at home to stand on, who underneath there also will measure. Yes, you can. Oh, do you need to remember all the different kinds of thermometers, is it? Yeah. Yes. Okay, but for this particular question, we just wanted to see if you are aware of the variety of thermometers that we introduced in the textbook. But it's unlikely that we will ask you to memorize all the different thermometers, because you also never used this before. Yes? No. Yeah? Plants have their own temperature compared to the surroundings. They are able to regulate the temperature. Yeah?
1000 kg, they use tons, they don't use milligram.
Sorry, what tons?
The one for 1000 kg, they all use tons, they don't use milligram.
What is tons?
T-O-N.
What tons? Who is they?
Scientists. I find they every time measure certain object, they want to use tons or use milligram.
That's why I see country. Some country they prefer to use the word tons, pounds. Yeah, but in practice, if you look at research papers, you will not see this year you start to see, you will not see people in research papers write tons. Yeah, because then I won't understand what you're saying, but you put in kg, I understand. You understand? Instead of tons, they will, by right, they should convert it to kg, then anyone around the world understands. Yeah? Pounds, tons, yeah, that's not a common language. Okay, next. They ask what is the precision of the reading of this measuring cylinder shown. Do you still remember measuring cylinder, how to find out the precision? Okay, thank you, getting that? So you find out what is the, okay, number one, find out the interval. Second, half the interval. So the precision of a measuring cylinder is half the interval of whatever the measuring cylinder is. In this case, okay, I give you a pause first, you check answer, then I'll go through why this is a precision. I'm not asking, okay, I am asking you to read it, but you also look like 53,
No, 52.5.
Okay, I don't think you are. Because on mine, the colored one, you can see there's a little bit of white. There's still part of the water and it's closer to 52.5. What do you write?
52.5.
Good. 53.0. Okay, if you wrote 53.0, I'm inclined to give you the answer. Give you the mark. Okay. You wrote 52.5. You also can give yourself a tick. Yes. It's quite eye level. Okay. Thank you for bringing that up. What do we call this error?
Parallax error.
No. It is only a parallax error if you read it from the off angle. Yeah? Okay? But if you look at it head on, there is no error. Okay? If you look at it head on, eye level, there is no error.
So is that precision error?
It could be random or it is systematic depending on how you look at it. Yeah?
Is that like precision error?
No. Okay, so for those that don't understand how I found the precision, we're going to go through now. First, let's look at what's each unit. You see that this is 50, this is 60. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I know each unit is 1 cm cubed. What is, so each unit is 1.0 cm cubed. What is half? It's 0.5 cm cubed. Okay? Okay, but I need to caution you that this really is a precision. So, you can only record your values in multiples of 0.5. if this is a precision, I shouldn't be seeing anyone write a reading like this, 552.8 cm3. Okay, it is impossible for you to accurately tell whether it's an 8 or if it's a 7 or 6 or 4, 3, 2. Cannot. So only if the meniscus is at the 5, then you record 5. But if it is closer to one of the divisions, you record closer to that division. You cannot have a 8, 7, 6, 4, 3 or 2 because that is not the precision. The precision is in multiples of 0.5. Xavier, you have a question? Tells you what? Okay, Xavier asks, what if the question says, ignore all this up, what if the question says that if there's a question that says, oh, the volume of the marble is 57.1 cm3. You know what this means? It means that whatever I use to measure the volume of this marble, its precision was 0.1 cm3. That was how precise this instrument was. Okay? If someone gives you a reading of 57.5 cm3, actually to be honest, if I never tell you what the measuring cylinder I used was, you cannot tell what the precision was, right? Just from a reading. It could have been a 0.1 cm3 precision. It also could have been a 0.5 cm3 precision. Right? So in this instance, you cannot really tell. Okay? All okay? Okay, we're going to move on. What error are we trying to minimize by reading at the meniscus? It's sharps, I just spotted it. Okay, parallax error. Okay, how many of you wrote random or systematic error?
I never put error, I put like this.
What do you write? Oh. Okay, but the question was asking what error, so you needed to answer.
With the parallax system.
Okay, so it needs to be parallax up. If you wrote random or systematic error, you will not get the mark because there are many kinds of random errors, many kinds of systematic errors. Parallax error is an example of both, so not specific enough. Okay, so you got to be specific. Okay. Next question. They ask you for the following numbers, indicate the decimal place and significant figures. Actually, this one, I may need to depend more on you, your math teacher. Okay? I roughly know because I also do math, so must. Okay, so let's just check the decimal place and significant figures. I think that it is this one that you may not have considered that it could have been 1, 2, or 3 significant figures. Yeah, could have been, right? We don't know. If someone wrote 300, actually we don't know if this person is trying to do in 1, 2, or 3 significant figures. We don't know. Oh, okay. Okay, Yao. Okay, I don't know what your math teacher taught you, but you are saying that your math teacher said if you had written just 1, 2, or 3, they would have accepted either or all of them, right? Okay. So for us, at least for science, we will also accept. I'm just showing you it can be these 3. Okay? And yourself, you'll be aware it can be these 3, not just one of them. Yes? Okay. First we are looking at number 4. We ignore it. You look for whatever the number is and look for what's you look to the numbers to the right. If not, right, I could have not even written this. Okay, you look at the front ones, if these 2 zeros need figures, then you notice that there's only 1 4 is 1 different figures, right? Yeah, but if there are 2 zeros to the right, you must count them as part as well. No, it's not. These 2 are not values at all. It's not that we need to count mark it so they can reach the 4. If I don't write 0.0 and just 4, it will be 400, right? So this is important so that I can show that it is small. Okay, all good? Okay, I may just request if for this question you wrote either one of these, can you just in green pen let yourself know that it can be the other two also?
I wrote all of them. I wrote all of them.
Oh. No, that's not correct. Yeah.
The biggest one or the biggest one usually?
Aiyo, who's your math teacher?
Miss Fong.
Miss Fong ah? Hey, Miss Fong is very good ah, math teacher. Yeah.
Have you not met our
Mr. Fong also to me is a very good form teacher. Form teacher. You are form teacher, right, Miss Fong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Miss Fong is very caring there. She clear a lot of paper for class one.
He's our favorite teacher.
So who's your favorite? Who's our favorite?
You're very lucky. You have a lot of good teachers, right? Miss Sama is a very good LA teacher. He's a very energetic, entertaining teacher, right? Who's your Chinese teacher? Your math teacher, Miss Feng, I think she's both a good math teacher and a good form teacher. She's very, very caring, you know. You know that Miss Feng, she will update all of your subject teachers, science, math, PE, right? Whenever any of you are sick or need help, she'll let all of us know, you know. Yeah, this I don't see. Yeah, no, she actually she created a WhatsApp group so they can update all of us. You know, but I've never seen any form teacher do that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't do that. Yeah, but your form teacher cares for all of y'all. You know, every time you all are not well, she will let us know. Then all the subject teachers we can all work together to help y'all.
Do you have a question?
Yes, is it relevant? Okay. Sorry to hold you for too long. Okay, go. Okay, next one. Calculate average. Oh, sorry. You want to guys, right? Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Some of you are confused, my instruction not so clear. Okay, so by right you should have done 10. Because question 10 is still a skill you are able to do, just roll out 3 sig figs. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Yeah, Sophie. I'm going to scroll down to question 10. Okay, you just needed to round out to 3 significant figures. Some of them were already in 3 significant figures. Not to what? No. Just saying, when you say evaluate the following, you're saying, look at these equations. Okay? Oh, sorry. Evaluate is just another way of saying calculate. Okay. If after you calculated and you needed to round off, then you will bracket and put 3 sig figs. If your answer already came out as 3 significant figures, don't need. Okay? Oh, but did all of them needed to round off?
Yeah.
Okay, if all needed, then actually you should have written 3 significant figures. Yeah. Okay. If I 105 tell me all. Oh, is it? Okay, yeah. To agree again now, that the question already said that they want 3 significant figures. Okay, I agree. By right, you do not need to write this. But I tell you from now onwards, we will not tell you, we will not say this. We expect you to know when you're supposed to do 3 sig figs. Okay? So you will need to indicate for me. Okay? For this question, you will never see us ask you this kind of thing again. This is purely for practice. You just want to see if you can quickly round it off to 3 suffix. Okay? This is more like math practice, but we will not do this in science. Okay, the next one, question 9 is the one I'd like to go through today, and that will be your tiny homework. Calculate average.
Average. You know how to calculate average?
I know you know how to calculate average, but what do you round it off to? Oh, I already said this before. Is it? It's not math, is it? Okay, so how do I show the question without Okay, average. I'd like you to be very clear about this. If you are asked to calculate average, what do you round off to? Because of it, you have to take 3 values divided by 3, correct? Or more. Okay, when you calculate average, what do you round off to? Okay, do not round off to 3 significant figures. Okay? What? It is off, it's just my way of writing. Okay? Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, so what do you round off to? Okay, you round off to the precision of the instrument. Not always, right? Okay. So you see, the screw gauge was to 0.001, right? It's up to 3 decimal places, right? Okay. Yeah. If all the readings, right? For example, if you use a screw gauge, if you use a screw gauge and you are measuring 3 values, right? Maybe you got 0.001, 0.004, 0.200. You take it divide by 3, you will round it off to 3 decimal places. Okay? So if you're asked to calculate average, you round it off to the precision of the measured data. Can we try it now? We give you 3 examples. 1, 2, and 3. After you find the average, can you round it off to the... I'm so tired, I don't remember what my sentence is. Can you round it off to the correct precision? Okay, everyone try now. Oh, shucks, then you all be done with the homework. Okay, if you all finish early, then you can go and change already. No, the whole class has been done. Okay, I would like to acknowledge you, Joshua, for your hardworkingness. Good, you can give yourself a self-pat. Yeah? Pat yourself here, and then you turn yourself around. Do a hokey pokey. I say no one. Yes. Then you choose 3 figures. Don't forget to break it. Hey, sorry. That's fine. No, in science, if it's recurring decimal place, you put a dot. You must round off to the correct precision. Okay? Xavier, people are doing work. Okay, make sure you have your units. Look at those. Oh. Don't forget your units. I never say I don't like your class. I told her, right, I was very shocked that one person said, I asked you why you always go toilet. Then Joshua's reply is, well, maybe because we don't like the teacher. For 2 days, no. Okay, check. Is it to the correct decimal place position? Okay, what is more important is that when the teacher looks at this up, we compare it to your original data, that it is to the correct decimal place. If it's correct, it's correct. Okay?
0.13, I thought it's 0.19.
Hey, how is it possible? Your two values, 11313, how will you get 9?
Yeah, I don't know, but I think I divided by
You take a calculator, do one more time.
you have my 2 already.
Oh.
No.
Okay? Okay, again, if you're correct, please give yourself a tick. A few months down the road, you forget whether it's right or wrong. And then your father will ask me, will ask you, hey, your worksheet, is it correct or wrong or not? Okay, that's all.